Assalamu alaikum, this is Ahmed from Heicore, and in our first lesson from our course, which is a Flutter UI Kit Auth UI Gradient Edition, in this lesson I will teach you how to make a gradient background. And of course, like, we really need to make clean architecture, so you're going to start with like folders here. So we have core, and inside the core we'll have bindings, and we need another folder. It's going to be modules. This is going to be for sign-in page. Okay, sign in, and the sign-up page. Other pages actually can add here for the modules here. So we have also shared. It's going to be for widgets and constants. Constants, and we have also widgets, and we have roots. So basically for the main here, we're gonna use the getX, so that's why we have to add the getX package, and we're gonna wait a little bit, so we will have the get package here. We're gonna import this package, and we will delete the scaffold, and we will have the sign in file, and dart stateless widget sign in. Don't forget, guys, always to capitalize the first letter of the name of the class, and for this we will have sign in, and then Command S, so of course we need to delete the debug. Debug show checks bad matter is going to be false here. Command S, the debug has been removed, and after that you will go to the sign in page, and scaffold here. So Command S, very good, and after this you're gonna have body, container, decoration, inside the decoration box, decoration, and a gradient, linear gradient, colors, and then you're gonna have list here. You can have 3 colors, guys. We have the first one, which is going to be black, and the second going to be purple. You can choose any color you like, guys, but here I just wanted to go with the purple. And after this you're gonna have a black, and we're gonna have begin of this color, alignment, directional, it's gonna be top, center, and the end, alignment, directional, bottom, center. Command S, very beautiful. You see, guys, that we have finished completing the background, the gradient background, and see you inshallah in next lesson.